Hello student, in this question it is given m1 is 5 m, m2 is 2m and m3 is m, u1 is v0 and u3 is 0. Okay, we take v1, v2, v3 are the final velocities. So v1 will be equals to what? m1 minus m2 multiplied by u1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this will be equals to 5m minus 2m multiplied by v0 divided by 5m plus 2m. So what is this equals to? So this value is equals to 3 divided by 7 V naught, which is equals to 0.428 V naught. So this is our first answer, okay, that we have to calculate the V1. Now, when M1 collides with M2, okay, M1 collides with M2, then U2 will be equals to twice of M1 U1 divided by M1 plus M2. So what is this equals to? This is 2 multiplied by 5M multiplied by V0 divided by 5M